regarding my mother's health. So she has been diagnosed with intestinal cancer and has undergone 3 surgeries. So in the last one, a portion of her intestine was removed and replaced with an artificial one. So despite this, the doctors have recommended that she undergo chemotherapy. However, she is very fearful of the side effects like hair loss and burns. So instead, she prefers to drink camel's milk and urine as a treatment. So is she sinful for not listening to the doctor's advice and rely solely on this alternative remedy? Jazakallahu khair.
Wajazakum. I am not a medical doctor to be able to help determine which course of treatment she should take. And I've said this in many times that the mixture of camel's milk with a cap, a bottle's cap of camel's urine is a prophetic medicine that is proven scientifically today to cure so many illnesses, including cancer. And a dear friend of mine, who used to teach chemistry with me in school for many, many years, got intestine cancer and was or had some of his intestines removed, and the doctors told him that you have only 3 months or 4 months max to live. We cannot do anything, it's widely spread. So he terminated all sorts of healing, and he started doing the camel milk mixed with little urine. And with the grace of Allah, he is totally cured, and this was like 7, 8 years ago, and the guy is still alive and kicking with the grace of Allah. So this is someone I personally know. And this is not from a science fiction book. This is found in Sahih al-Bukhari, in the hadith of the Uraniyin, who came and fell sick, and the Prophet ﷺ told them to drink a mixture of milk and little of camel's urine, and they were cured. So this is not a single incident. There are so many, many stories similar to that where cancer patients were cured with this. I am not a medical doctor. I cannot tell what case or stage your mom in, which is best for her, which is not. However, this is up to her preference. If she feels that the chemotherapy and the radiation is going to have bad side effects and she's not up to it, or the doctors say it is already in a very late stage and the chances of recovery is very slim, in this case, she may refer to the other choice of healing, inshallah, while trusting Allah and making a lot of dua, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.